Hi guys, I've got this U.S.Lock, which is very similar to the American padlock. It's a 5-pinner. It's strong tension on the core. Spring-loaded shackle. It's 5-pinner. Shows the fitting for it. It's quite challenging for this sort of lock. Let's give it a go at picking. I'm going to be using the Peterson gem, but this is not my usual Peterson gem, which has been sanded very well down. This is just a new one. I haven't got my usual picks with me at this time, so every time I put this pick in I can just feel everything on the ridges, and it does make a difference when you're picking, so I do advise to sand these down. So give it a go at picking. Quite a lot of tension on this, just to bind the pins up. Pin 5 already. There you go, and a 10 on that. Just like pin 3. There you go. 1. 5. 2. 3. Quite a long, extreme turn on the cord there of that one. There's like the pin stuck, so I'm going to try and see what the pin is actually impeding me. There you go, that's pin 4. Just try and find a counter rotation. Pin 2. Yep. 3. There we go. Open. Cheers guys.